What's up, guys? This is Keith with Cyber and You. We're going to quickly go over how to install Google Chrome for Mac. First thing we're going to do is open up a browser. We're going to search Google Chrome for Mac. We're going to click this link right here, the Google Chrome web browser. We're going to hit download Chrome, accept and install. Click OK when it asks us to download it and open it via Disk Manager. Give it a few seconds. Hopefully your internet bandwidth speed is a lot better than mine. As we wait here. Waiting. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open that if it doesn't automatically open up. And just for trivia purposes, if anybody wants to know what DMG stands for, it's just basically Apple Disk Image, specific to the MacOS for installing applications. Basically mounts to your file system so you can install it. We're going to throw that Google Chrome icon right in that applications folder. Give it a few seconds to finish copying Google Chrome to applications. All right. Go ahead and close this stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and unmount this, eject it. I'm going to open up Google Chrome just to show you guys that we are successful in our adventure. I'll wait for that to open up. At first launch, it is going to verify and make sure you want to open this since we just did download this from the interwebs. And there you go. We have Google Chrome. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.